What is going on, friends, and welcome back to the channel. Now, I know we haven't made some content in quite some time, but that doesn't mean we haven't been working diligently behind the scenes making some fresh changes. Let's check them out. After 60 years, we've officially rebranded with a fresh new look. Our locations are now going by their full official names: Leif Johnson Ford of Austin, Leif Johnson Ford of Manor, and Leif Johnson Ford of Buda. It doesn't mean that our service or who we are is changing. We're still the same trusted team that you've known for the last 60 years. We're just leveling up for the future. We're also building a brand new location that's in the works right now. More space, more cars, and more ways to serve our community.
Since we're talking about community, we partnered with Make-A-Wish Foundation and the Jeremiah Project to help make wishes come true, and also to help single moms and children in Austin.
Oh, and did I mention, we started a racing team.
We are now racing in the Ford Mustang Cup. So if you're into speed, power, and most importantly, Mustang, you're not gonna wanna miss this. We just finished up round 1 at NOLA Motorsports Park, and round 2 is coming up very quickly here at our hometown of Austin, Texas at Circuit of the Americas, so do not miss it.
So we've got tons of new vehicles rolling in and lots of new adventures planned. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can join us on the ride, because this is just the beginning of why you'll love it at Leif.